ganito kaingay kapag hindi ko pa nilalagay yung aking K9 wireless microphone. Obviously, dinig naman, meron ventilador dyan sa aking harap at meron television sa labas na dinig ko hanggang dito. Okay, try natin to. Ha? Kakabit ko itong aking K9 wireless microphone and let's see what happens. Kalang ha, naka-charge ako eh. Tanggalin ko. Kabit natin to. Okay. 2, 1. Okay, and then we're live. Char. Okay. Now, kayo na po ang humusga. Okay ba yung tunog? Nabawasan yung noise? I highly recommend this K9 wireless microphone kasi talaga napaka-reliable nitong K9 wireless microphone na to. Sa murang halaga, pwedeng-pwede mo tong ipantapat sa mamahaling wireless microphone. Kung ikaw isa kang content creator na nagsisimula at naghahanap ka ng budget-friendly na wireless microphone, you may want to try and you may want to consider K9 wireless microphone. Highly recommended. Ilang taon na sa akin to, kaya hindi ko to binibitawan eh. Napakamura na, napakagandang investment pa talaga kasi napaka-durable and quality. Go na!